Example 2. In an English test, the following marks were obtained by a group of students: 5, 40, 40, 25, 35, 95, 25, 30, 30, and 25. Find the median, mode, and the mean mark. Then B, which averages best describes the group's results? Now let's see solution. We want to use frequency table to solve this question. Now the marks here, they said the following marks. So the marks is the S. What are the marks? You arrange the marks from the least to the highest. The least here is 5, while the highest is 95. So these are the marks: 5, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 95. Now our frequency table, this is now the number of students that score these marks. If you look at it very well, 5 is appearing one time. It means it's only one student that score 5. Now 25 occurs how many times? We have 1, 2, 3. So it means 3 students score 25 marks. Let's move to 30. 30 is appearing how many times? Let's say 1, 2. So it means 2 students score 30 marks. What about 35? Let's say 1. Just 1. So it means 1 student score 35 marks. What about 40? We have 1, 2, just 2. So it means 2 students score 40 marks. Now 95. 95 appear 1. So it means 1 student score 95 marks. Now you now sum your frequency. So summation F will now be equal to 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 will give us 10. Now let's move to the F of S. Now we'll be using your S to multiply the number of students. That is 5 times 1, 5. 25 times 3, 75. 30 times 2, 60. 35 times 1, 35. 40 times 2, 80. 95 times 1, 95. Now sum your F of S together. Also, it gives us 350. Now let's move to our position. Now 5 is appearing one time, so it will only take the first position. Now 25 is appearing how many times? 3 times. So 25 will now be taking the second position to the fourth position. How do I get the fourth position? You add 1 plus 3, which is 4. So it means 25 marks will be taking second to fourth position. Then also this one will now continue from the fifth position. You now add 4 plus 2 will give us 6. So 30 will be taking fifth to sixth position. After sixth position, we have seventh position. 35 is appearing one time, so it's going to be 6 plus 1, which is 7th. Now 40 is appearing 2 times, so it's going to be from the 8th position. You add 7 plus 2, which will be 9. That is 8 to 9. Then the 95 will now be taking 9 plus 1, which is 10, will be taking the 10th position. You can see the last position also equals to the sum of our frequency. So take note of this. It means something that your calculation is okay. Now let's go to the calculation now. Median. You can see our median here is a number that is divisible by 2. So we are going to be using nth over 2. And our n is 10th divided by 2, which is 5th position. So we'll now go back to the table and look at the number that falls on the 5th position. This is 5th position. So the number that falls there is, go to where the mark is what? 30. So 30 is our median. 30 is our median. Is the one that falls on the 5th position. Now let's look at our mode. What is our mode? Which number appear most? Which number of marks does the student score most? It is 25. 25 appear 3 times, so 3 students score 25. So our mode is 25. Now let's look at the mean. This is the formula. S bar equals to summation F of S over summation F. We know our summation F of S to be 350. Then we know our summation F to be 10. So 350 divided by 10. 0 will cancel 0. Then we'll be left with 35, which is our mean. Now the B part says which averages best describe the group results? The answer is the median. Why is it the median? The median is the number that tells us the middle position in the averages. That is why it is the median. Now, this is the assignment you'll be doing for me. I'm still expecting the last assignment I gave to you in the last class. I'll be waiting to receive that from your WAP Essential Maths textbook, book 3. You'll be doing exercise 22.3, question 1b, question 2, question 4, and question 6a, to be submitted together with the last assignment I gave. Thank you and have a good day.